how to protect your workbook from accidental changes in Excel. All right, Excel enthusiasts, gather around. Today, we're diving into one of the most underrated, yet absolutely critical skills in Excel, protecting your workbook from accidental changes. Oh yes, whether you're sharing your Excel files with your team, clients, or even keeping them for personal use, the risk of accidental edits or worse, intentional tampering can cause chaos. Imagine this. You've spent hours, maybe even days, creating the perfect budget tracker, sales report, or dashboard. You save it, share it with your team, and the next time you open it, oh no. Rows are missing, charts are gone, and someone decided to experiment with your hard work. Yikes. That's a nightmare no Excel user should have to face. But good news. Excel offers multiple ways to lock down your workbook, protect your sheets, and ensure your precious data remains intact. And today, we're going step by step, exploring not just how to protect your workbook, but also why each method is important and when to use it. So, buckle up, Excel warriors. It's time to master workbook protection like a pro. Are you ready? Let's dive right in. 1. Protect workbook structure. Lock down the blueprint. Whoa, hold on. Have you ever opened your Excel workbook and found sheets mysteriously rearranged, hidden, or even deleted? That's enough to cause instant panic. But don't worry, Excel has a built-in safety net for situations like these. Protect workbook structure. Why use it? Protecting your workbook structure ensures that no one can. Add new sheets. Delete existing sheets. Move or rearrange sheets. Hide or unhide sheets. Basically, it locks the blueprint of your workbook. Steps to protect workbook structure. Click on the Review tab in the ribbon. Select Protect Workbook. A dialog box will pop up. Check the box next to Structure. Optional. Enter a password for extra security. Click OK. If prompted, confirm your password. Optional. Enter a password for extra security. And just like that, boom. Your workbook structure is locked tighter than a treasure chest. Pro tip, always save your password somewhere safe. Forgetting it? Oof, that's a one-way ticket to Frustration City. 2. Protect a specific worksheet. Focus security. Sometimes you don't need to lock down the entire workbook, just a single, important worksheet. For example, maybe you want your team to view the summary sheet, but not mess with your pivot tables. Why use it? Protecting a worksheet allows you to prevent accidental edits to formulas and important data. Allow specific actions like cell selection or formatting. Customize permissions based on the needs of the sheet. Steps to protect a specific sheet. Navigate to the Review tab. Click on Protect Sheet. Enter a password, optional, but recommended. Choose the actions you want to allow, such as selecting cells or formatting. Click OK. Confirm your password. And there you have it. Your worksheet is now like a museum exhibit. Look, admire, but do not touch. Pro tip, fine-tune permissions to match your exact needs. It's like having a security guard with custom instructions. 3. Mark workbook as final, gentle warning mode. Oh, this one's clever. Sometimes you don't need ironclad protection. You just need a polite nudge saying, hey, don't edit this file, okay? That's where mark as final comes into play. Why use it? Indicates to others that the workbook is complete. Discourages accidental edits. Adds a layer of informal protection. Steps to mark workbook as final. Click on File, Info. Select Protect Workbook. Choose Mark as Final. Save the workbook. And there it is, a polite warning that this file is done and dusted. Heads up, this isn't foolproof. If someone really wants to edit, they still can. But hey, it works great as a heads up. 4. Encrypt workbook with a password, digital vault mode. Whoa, now we're stepping into serious security territory. When you encrypt your workbook with a password, it's like placing it in a digital vault. Without the password? Sorry, no entry. Why use it? Prevent unauthorized access to your workbook. Ensure sensitive data stays confidential. perfect for sharing financial records or proprietary data. Steps to encrypt Workbook with a password. Click File, Info. Select Protect Workbook. Choose Encrypt with Password. Enter a strong password and click OK. Re-enter the password to confirm. Save your workbook. And there you have it, a Fort Knox level security measure. Warning, forget this password and even you won't be able to access your file. So, handle with care. 5. Enable read-only mode. Look, don't touch. Oh, here's a classic move. Sometimes you want others to see your work but not change anything. Enter read-only mode, a perfect balance of accessibility and security. Why use it? Allows users to view data without making changes. Reduces accidental edits. Ideal for sharing finalized reports or dashboards. Steps to enable read-only mode. Click File, Save As. Click Tools next to the Save button. Select General Options. Check Read-Only Recommended. Click OK and save the file. Done and dusted. Users will now see a polite suggestion to keep their hands off your masterpiece. Best practices for workbook protection. Always use strong, unique passwords. Keep backups of your important files. Regularly review permissions and protection settings. Communicate protection settings clearly with team members. And that's it, Excel champions. You've now mastered the art of workbook protection. Whether it's locking sheets, encrypting files, you're now equipped with all the tools you need. Stay sharp, stay secure, and most importantly, keep Excel ing.